Hi fam! Welcome back to my channel, and again I'm Miss A, the classy beauty savvy at your service again, and in this new video I am going to share with you my new phone. Yay! So this is my new phone, and this one is from Oppo. So this bag is full of so many goodies, and we're going to dig in, and I'm going to show you the things I have gotten from buying this Oppo phone. But before we get started, I hope you go ahead and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Again, I'm Miss A. I hope you become part of the family by simply clicking the subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit like if you want to see more of these kinds of videos.
Audio Jungle.
Well, I got this phone a week ago and I have already used it. This can be an unboxing video, but a review as well. So first up, let's check out the box of the phone. So this is the box. Let me show you. Oh, so this is the box of the phone. There, and if you can see, I already opened it because we tested out in the store. So this is the Oppo F5, and I got the gold variant, and this one has AI beauty technology. It's full HD. It has 6 inches. It's full HD screen, HD plus screen, and I got the 4 gig RAM plus 32 gig ROM. So, and this has a facial unlock feature already. So there you go. So this is how it looks like, the box. But before we get started with the box, let me tell you the things I got after purchasing. I would like to share to you guys the freebies I have gotten from purchasing this phone. Again, this phone, the Oppo F5, is for only $15,599 if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to type it down here or link it in the description box just in case I did not get that right. And I got mine at SM East. And of course, upon purchasing the phone, they have a lot of freebies available for their consumers, which is amazing. Who doesn't like freebies, right? So let's go ahead and talk about the things that they have gifted me. So these are this is the bag full of the freebies I have gotten. So first up, we have the Bluetooth headset. So they will give you a free Bluetooth headset upon purchasing, and this Bluetooth headset is for 890 pesos, and this is just free upon purchasing. So of course you know what Bluetooth headset looks like, but let me just show you just in case. So this is it. So it has the headset, it has the cable below, I hope it's focusing there, and it also has this attachment, I don't know, for the ear. Free! Another free that they have given me is this one. This is the power bank. Yes, they have gifted me a free power bank. Original price is $690, and you'll get this for free after purchasing Oppo F5. So there you go, and this one has 5,600 mAh. So there you go. I'm sorry if you can hear some kids shouting at the back. Probably that's my niece. Okay, so there you go. This is how it looks like, and let me show you what you'll get inside. Ooh, this is a black power bank. Ayan, it's so cute. There you go. This keychain thing, so you can hang it on your bag or to your bag. Also got this one. I'm very, very excited about because this is ta-da! This is a wireless speaker. And again, they will give this to you for free after purchasing the Oppo F5. This is amazing. This is from the brand Olike, and Olike is like the sister company of Oppo for other accessories for phones. So this wireless speaker is again black, which is so cool. It's very, very neat and sleek. So it looks like this, and you have the buttons here, and you have the power on here and the itself. So once again, going back to the box, ito yung phone box. So once you open it, here we go. So this is what you'll see. Okay, the phone, but I already used it, so I'm going to show it to you in just a while. And afterwards, you'll see other things inside. We have the charger, the headset, and we have here the cable for the charger. Oh, the big reveal! My favorite thing! Of course, the phone! There you go! So this is what the phone looks like. There. And this one is in gold, but it looks like rose gold. So it has like a very sleek look. It looks like iPhone because it has curved edges right here. It's curved. Closer look. So this is what it looks like at the back, because earlier it was a little bit bright. So that you can see it better, again, we have the camera, 13 megapixel. We have the flash. We have the fingerprint scanner to unlock the phone. We have the brand. That's it. And then we have here the button. This button to turn it on and off. So the SD card and SIM card slot. And then here we don't have anything. Then over here we have the volume, the turn on and off. I mean the volume up and down. And of course we have the speaker. This is the best speaker. It's very loud. And we have the charger port and the speaker or the headset. So we have here, slide up to see the controls, and then down to see the notifications. Yeah. And then you can also see the other things you have opened, applications you have opened by clicking this square button here. There you go. That's it. And it doesn't really work if you're going to download a new launcher, because it's not going to be compatible. For this Oppo F5, they made it like iPhone. They have their own theme, and that's the only theme you can use. That's the downside of purchasing this phone, because you cannot really customize it just like how you normally customize an Android phone. The camera, there you go, that's us. Woohoo! And this is what I'm telling you guys. So we have the photo option. This is the beauty option. Look at that. There, it will instantly smoothen your skin. Let me just show you. Can you see me? There, it's just so beautiful. I love this. This is the panoramic option. There, we also have the video. This is what I have been using to shot my videos lately. And then we also have our time-lapse. It has its own editing tool. So let me just show you. So for example, this is my picture. Got a shot from the beauty camera. And all you need to do is to click edit. If you want to edit it still, we have the tools and filters. Filters below. There. So you can instantly edit your phone. You don't need to download a separate editing tool if you don't want to do that. But I do have, or I'll be shooting a separate video soon showing you what I have on my phone. So there you go, guys. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention that it comes with its free clear case. I love this so much. So there you go. That's it for my Oppo F5 unboxing and review. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to become part of the family. Again, this is Miss A, and I really hope to see you again in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys!